On alarm 2, let's find out what I got today in post. Is it a normal thing or is it a collectible? Now you need to find out that for yourself by watching this video. It's here! I finally got the thing I ordered from eBay. It took 2 days to arrive. Let's see what I got. So let's crack it open. I have no idea because I forgot what exactly it is. But let's see what it is. Together. Come on, get out, you swine. Ooh, nice packing. Good job, seller. Ooh, what is this? Okay. Ooh, okay. He actually also actually kept it in a nice. Okay. Before we get excited, what else we have in the box? We have a charging lead tool, and what else? Is that it? Okay, that's it. We have nothing else. Cool. So, the thing that we got is a old demo, X-demo charging puck thing that people, if you go to an Apple store, hold on. Oh, that's cool because it has also the, you know, it's like you need to, yeah, okay, I need to do it, probably broken string or something like that. Anyway, it's not gonna be using that much, but that's, and it's this. Let's see if it works. So the charging cable looks like it's not original because the original cable should have like a tag saying, hey, I got unplugged type of thing. Are these? Wait, hold on. Is this the original Apple one or generic one? I don't know. I don't care. It looks good enough. Plug into the. No! Don't fall. Plug this in. Plug this in via Type C right here. Cool. And we grab. Well, let's try 13 Pro Max. 13 Pro Max. Oh, dude, how cool is this looks? Hold on, let me do something. Cancel discard. Hold on. Discard. Go back and find the stored demo screensavers I screen recorded there a while ago. I will edit this out probably. Just give it a second. I want just even more authentic feel. Oh, how cool that looks. That Jenny looks so cool, doesn't it? It's just perfect for like a desk setup, like X-demo thing, you know, it's just a perfect setup. Ah, sorry, like I had to buy it. It's like, it cost me 20 quid only. £5 shipping, no, £3 shipping, something like that. But yeah, it's totally worth it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing of my X-demo thing. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for watching to the end of the video. Next on, whatever YouTube thinks is important. And here, you can subscribe, or you can scroll down for more information, like our link tree, or Discord server, or
whatever we think important for you to see.